Chapter 5 Circles. A circle is a closed two-dimensional figure in which the set of all points in the plane is equidistant from a given point called center. Center is the midpoint of the circle. A line segment connecting the center of a circle to any point on the circle itself is called a radius. A line segment having both the endpoints on the circle, and it is the longest line that can be drawn by connecting two points on a circle. It is diameter. How to find the center of a circle without using a compass? Draw a circle using a bangle or any other circular objects without using a compass. Mark the points A and B on the circle. Since we have to find the center of the circle, draw a perpendicular bisector to AB. Join the points A and B with the intersecting point. We find that the intersecting point is not on the center of the circle. Draw another perpendicular bisector with length lesser than the previous one and join the points A and B with the intersecting point. We find that the intersecting point is still not the center of the circle. Try drawing another perpendicular bisector with length lesser than the previous one. Join the intersecting point. While observing, we can find that the intersecting point that we have got this time is still not the center of the circle. This is the figure we have got after drawing three perpendicular bisectors from AB. Now join A and B. Also mark the intersecting points. Draw a line connecting the intersecting points. We can see that all the points lie in the straight line. All the points which are of the same distance from two fixed points, here the fixed points are A and B, are the third vertices of isosceles triangle with the line joining these two points as the base. So we have got three isosceles triangles here. Any isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from the point joining the equal sides to the opposite side bisects the angle at this point and the side opposite. So the center we seek is on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points we have marked on the circle. How to find the center of a circle using perpendicular bisectors? First, draw a circle. Mark 2 points A and B on the circle. Join A and B by a line segment. Draw a perpendicular bisector to the line segment AB. The perpendicular bisector passes through the center. Now mark another 2 points C and D on the circle. Now join them by line segment. Draw perpendicular bisector to CD. The two perpendicular bisectors intersect at a common point. The perpendicular bisector of the line joining any 2 points on a circle passes through the center of the circle. Mark this point as O, and O is the center of the circle. A line joining 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Here AB is a chord. Also, CD is a chord. The largest chord of a circle is the diameter. We know that the perpendicular bisector of the line joining any 2 points on a circle passes through the center of the circle. A line joining any 2 points on a circle is called chord. So, the above definition can be written as the perpendicular bisector of any chord of a circle passes through its center.